Sorry.
Stay. Just don't touch my nail file. Last time you left mold.
I did not. Someone's perky. Feeling better? Let me guess. You took my advice and tried out the new DefendAir 400 HEPA air scrubber.
Don't get cocky.
I'm not cocky. I'm moldy. Remember?
Yeah? Well, I took 2.
Oh, really? Why so?
Wait, I think you were like the air scrubber aficionado?
I don't know everything. Just most.
Hardly. Okay, so they had 2 dehumidifiers, and it's recommended to have 1 air scrubber for every dehu.
Fancy pants.
And the day after, I recommended the HEPA 700.
Super fancy pants. What's the difference?
It's not recommended to use the 400 if you're doing a smoke or odor job. Anything that needs a carbon filter means you need the HEPA 700, including fire in Category 3.
Bravo.
The HEPA 700 also has Command Hub, which allows you to connect remotely, allowing you to manage inventories while you're off-site. It also gives you maintenance prompts, which is always nice. Oh, and has variable speeds too for quiet operation in occupied spaces.
Jeez.
Can't forget about power. It's 700 because it's 700 CFM, which equates to more power. So in a space of 6,000 cubic feet, you'd get 6 air changes per hour. A little more muscle than the 400.
Pretty cool if you have a boss who blows smoke.
Oh, it's even better if you have a coworker who does. But what I love about the 400 is it's lighter, more portable, and its ease of use.
Yep. And it sits at a pretty nice price point. It's basically the price of an entry-level unit, but with dri-eaz quality and all the support of American-made dri-eaz equipment.
Touche, Addie.
And
Get out of my seat.
Legend Brands.